Hi guys! Welcome back to our 6th unboxing of our Labubus. So now, the last but not the least.
Oh my god.
Okay. There we go.
This is definitely gonna be a secret.
Wow.
Or
We'll see.
what is it called again? Zizi!
Zizi, the Zizi that you want to have. Isn't it? Let's see.
I'm kind of rooting for the secret.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm praying. Give me a secret. Don't look at the card.
Okay.
Don't look at the card.
The last but not the least, hopefully is this one. But if not,
I want
oh
the
my
brown
god!
one.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god! It's easy! It's okay if it's not the brown one, guys. This is what Paris wants in the first place anyway. Oh my god, Sisi's eyes is so cute. Look at that. Sisi! This is Sisi. Look at Sisi, guys. This is actually what Paris wants in the first place. And it has the beautiful color, purple color. Yeah. There you go. Ah! Okay. And then I'm gonna put this one again. And so this is Zizi. There you go. Oh, lovely. Oh my gosh, look. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you all our 6 Labubus from the first one that we opened. It was Dada. This is Dada. And the next one, it is Sisi. Sisi.
The next one we got was Baba.
And then this one is
Baba.
Baba.
And then we got Hihi.
We got Baba, we got Hihi.
And then we got
Hihi.
Then we got QQ.
And then QQ. Oh my gosh.
So cute. Comment down below which one is your favorite.
Yeah, so comment down below. So we're gonna tell you again what's their name. So this is Zizi. This is Sisi. This is Baba.
Oh, Sisi.
This is Hihi.
And then this is QQ.
And then this is QQ. And this is Dada. So tell us who is your favorite.
My favorite is QQ.
Her favorite is QQ. Me, my favorite will be actually this one. Dada. Dada is my favorite because of the color and the personality of the eyes is like wow. I like something different, guys. Oh, all right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now. Bye, say bye, anak.
They're hugging.
Oh, they're hugging.
Bye, guys.
Bye.